Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through area traffic control. Okay, so this concept is a bit confusing, guys. Okay, so first I'll be going through the definitions, then I'll be explaining you guys. Okay, yes. So it is defined as a technique which provides for a centralized control of numerous signal installations distributed throughout the entire urban area, such that there is a coordination between the signals. Okay, so basically if you recall, whenever you are traveling from one place to another place, so assume that the signals, okay, so assume that here there is a junction. Okay, I think that place will not be enough. Okay, so assume that this as a junction, guys. This will be easy for you and even for me to also give an example. Okay, this is not a four-way junction, guys. It is a two T junctions. Okay, yes. So if you observe here, you took here the left, guys. Okay, and again you want to take the right here. So assume that here there is no free left. You need to go with the signal only. So assume in that way. Okay, just an example I am giving. Okay, yes. So in that situation, you will be waiting here for some time, and once this is a green light, in a 99% of the situation this will also be green line and you can go smoothly, right? Yes. So there will be some coordination between them. So that coordination is nothing but area traffic control. With the help of this concept only they will be using it. Okay, yes. So here we are having some objectives. So the objectives are nothing but minimizing a journey time for vehicles. So by using this concept, your vehicle will stop here, but it will not stop in between, right? Yes. So that is how you are going to reduce some time, minimizing the vehicle stops, resulting in a less noise, less pollution, and less consumption of fuel. So basically, your vehicle will not stop. So these are the advantages. Similarly, reducing accidents. Okay, similarly discouraging the use of certain areas. Okay, so areas control system has proved to be very effective tool in tracking the seniors problems of congestion at signalized intersections. Okay, so here we are having three different methods to apply this method, guys. So the first is nothing but fixed time plan. So basically this is like with the past history you will be doing it. Okay, so this is a method based on historical data and calculate it offline by computizing the optimization technique. So the information about vehicle movement is obtained manually or mechanically, and this is fed into the computer, which then determines the signal settings and transmits it. So basically based on the historical data we will be deciding. So that concept is nothing but fixed time plan, guys. Okay, yes. So this is an application or method or tool, you can say, that is nothing but TRANSYT. It is a method. Okay, so traffic analysis study tool. Okay, yes, traffic analysis study tool. Got it? Yes. Similarly, we are having one more planning method also, that is a coordinated systems. Okay, so this is based on the local responses. So basically live data collection will be done here. Okay, so these are the two applications, and we are also having the full response system plans. Okay, so these are the two applications. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got some basic idea on this. So in the next lecture we'll be discussing about the traffic aids, guys. Okay, yes. So let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.